recently concluded and ongoing projects are St. Dominic Private Resort, located in San Roque, Lubao, Pampanga, which was completed in the year 2023. A rest house in Tagaytay, two-story residence and one-story residence, both located in Lubao, Pampanga. His achievements are truly commendable as they mirror his great sense of commitment, hard work, and passion. To share with us his inspiring message, join me in welcoming our guest speaker for this momentous event. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest speaker, none other than Architect Rhaegar Singka Belsa. Let's give him a big hand of applause.